We are in Noster, Missouri, near the Whiteman Airforce Base. So if you're looking for a really inexpensive home to own, or maybe even start your rental portfolio, 406 Monroe has a one-car garage. The garage door is newer. Does have the shake shingles. Got some storm windows on the front, but it does have storm doors. There are a couple of windows that were replaced in the back, and there's a couple windows downstairs yet to be replaced. This is a fixer-upper. Got a good-sized living room. Opens up into a huge kitchen area. One of these stoves don't work. I don't remember which one it is. It is a gas stove. Lots of cabinets. The refrigerator is staying. Mentioned the storm door on the front as well. See, definitely some cosmetic updates to do. Two bedrooms. Double door closet in this one. Got a hall closet. You also have a closet in the kitchen area. That could be a pantry. And the second bedroom. Got green space all around you. Big backyard. We'll go take a look at that right now. Newer door on the back with the built-in blinds in the window. Storm door. Newer AC. Exterior of the house has been painted recently. Got a great sized backyard. No neighbors right on top of you. Try and get out here where we're not in the sun. Just have one neighbor to the one side. It's 406 Monroe.